This is a new collection that I just finished. It's Fall Girls, and I made a little tag booklet here. It's reversible, and in the first two pocket parts, I have a pocket, and one of the girls is glued onto the booklet. And I did all this one with all the dogs. I added ripped paper and trim and pumpkins and words. Bike riding, crisp air, and it comes with a collection, these words. And here's another one. I love my dog. There's some dogs there, another tag, and inked in the back. And over on this side, I did some coffee-dyed coffee filter and some inked up music paper. And then on the back of this one is some applique, a little ripped paper for the corner. And then this is the other side. So there's two pockets to each side and tags that can be taken out. And that says pumpkin spice. And then over here, I've got some more ripped paper, applique, sari silk, some ripped music paper. And then this pocket and the dog, and it says autumn. And that's coffee dyed and inked on the back. And then on this side of the tab, it says falling leaves. And those are included in the collection. So it's reversible. You can close it one way, and you can also close it a different way. Easy to make, nice if you want to put kids' pictures in there. This is a CD holder, and I've just cut a square piece of paper and put it in there and used these girls for decoration. And I'm going to show you how I made these using greeting cards. That's what this is. The outside of that CD holder is a greeting card. And I even did the flap on that one. And then I glued sari silk all around it for a decoration. And I punched out the trims and the girls, and I will show you. You will see. That's what we're going to do now. And I put bows on there. I love bows. And I'm just going to show you here some of the cards that I used. And this one I'm going to use for this one. I use these crazy cards. I don't know what they're for. I don't know what they're about. But I like their color and design. This would be a nice one. That one I think I used. You can see some of the color. You can't see anything really. Just color. Color and design. So I just really wanted a frame, and it worked. They worked very well. So I was just showing you different kinds of cards that you could possibly use. Even this one would be pretty for some kind of a CD holder. But I'm going to use this one here with all these pretty roses and flowers. And I'm going to take apart this CD holder. I'm going to cut it apart just to show you how you make your template. As you can see, I have one down there. You probably figured that out. But just in case you've never done this before, it's really pretty easy. Just cut apart the CD envelope. And you want to take off that plastic window, and it comes off very easy. No problem, no ripping. And then, of course, the flap, because you're going to need the exact template. You need it for what size it is. Then kind of figure out where you want it, and then turn it over and draw the circle. And then you're going to cut out the circle, and I kind of speeded up that part so you don't have to sit there and watch me cut out a circle. So we're going to cut the circle out, and you don't have to be real accurate because you're going to put stuff around the circle. Trim, sari silk, ribbon, anything you want to cover it up. And that's that's the cheater's way, but hey, it's fun too. And then you want to trim it off to be even, to be right with that template. I use my cutter for that because I want it nice and straight. So we did that. And then I take a CD envelope that I haven't torn apart, and I put this on there, figuring out which way does it go. Okay. And when I get it on there where I like it, I'm going to hot glue it. You could use any glue you want. I'm doing glue. This is actually low temp glue. I'm using glue, hot glue, because it's faster and I'm on camera. Then I want to take up all of your time. I'm quite aware of long videos, and they can take a lot of time. Personally, I watch some of them, but they have to be really good for me to watch them all. Okay, now this one, well, here's a square that I'm going to put in there. I had cut out and was in one of the other CDs. I can't get the glue off the front of that. That's what I'm doing. I'm fussing with the glue. But I want to show you, I put a square, well, it's pretty snug, so it's hard to get in there. I put a plain piece of square paper in there, and I'm trying to use tape to get the glue off, and it still didn't work. So I would throw this one out simply because I also have edges that didn't get covered. But see here, you're going to put the sari silk. I put applique, but see these edges are white, and I don't like that. You could take some paper and rip it and decorate it. You could do a lot of different things. You can have fun with it. It's just a CD envelope, and they come 100 in a pack. So this is a 3.5-inch scallop and a 3-inch round that I'm going to do to put her in the center of the CD holder. Oh, and this is the collection that I forgot to show you. There's 12 girls with 12 dogs. Each has one dog, and the puppies, or the pumpkins. And then there's 12 girls with no dogs. So I'm just showing you the dogs here. And also you will get these sentiments and some blank ones. These are the ones without the dogs. They are up in my shop. See, I'm going to pick this one right here. I like this girl. I like them all. I really love the girls riding the bikes. I think they are so cute. I try to do them all a little different. It gets difficult after a while. But I did get 12 of them different. I wanted the falling leaves, so I put falling leaves for all of them. And then I'm just doing the decorative background for it, the scalloped edge. I put that scallop circle and put these three together, and that's what you have. And you put it in your CD holder. You decorate it, and it looks like that. So I'm just going to put her in there, and there you go. So what I'm going to show you here is just the sari silk. I'm not going to do the whole thing because I need that sari silk, and it's all I've got left of that color. I really like that green color. But all you really do is, if you've never done this before, is you just pinch the sari silk. Put a little low temp glue there, and pinch it, and just go all the way around and pinch it, kind of like gathering it with your fingers. And when you're done, it'll look like this. Oh, and I put an applique there. But that's what you'll have. And so there you go.